So this is a rare roots car you might be interested in. Sunbeam Venezia. I used to call it a Venezia, and then I was corrected by someone who spoke to a member of the family. Touring. Again, Superleggera. How do you pronounce it? Left-hand drive. A few people would recognise this. I did take this up to one of the Roots days, I think the Sunbeam Spares day last year. I think it's basically all there apart from the hubcaps, which have a little parrot in. The aluminium body is actually pretty good. It's a bit sort of, let's say, dull like that, but it comes up okay. The floor, unfortunately, they have like this sort of thin polystyrene coating all over the steel, which is a bit odd. Apparently the Aston Martins and a lot of the other places that come out of that factory were all built the same way, and it seems to trap the moisture underneath. So as you can see, this is the left-hand rear floor pan. There's bits of holes here, a couple of bits over there in the floor in the corner. Same the other side. A couple of bits on the chassis rails. I have got a pair of new old stock chassis rails that can go with the car. They go from the front right the way to about here. You don't need them all. It depends who's doing it and how far you went. Whether you'd use it that much or not, I don't know. I rebuilt the engine completely. Details I can give to any interested party. New old stock Solex carb as per the original. The original gearbox, it's the earlier with non-synchro on first gear, but that gearbox has been rebuilt by Joan Roseby. The engine gearbox was rebuilt about probably 2.5 years ago, something like that now. I won't have the time to do it. I've just got too much stuff on. I can barely do small jobs on cars, let alone big ones. It is currently registered in the UK with V5 in my name. I'm asking, I think, 11,500 or near offer. If you're interested, let me know. I just wired this up independently of the rest of the wiring on the car to prove that it works. So, there you go. I don't think there is an engine number on this block. It was on the website. Those are the numbers on the car. So it will drive. It'll creep along on and you can use the handbrake, so it will drive around anyone's yard.